Hello there my friends, I am back and today we're gonna be cooking another authentic Asian recipe, and these are the ingredients. We're gonna be using spare ribs here. We have this fermented black beans, or more commonly known in the Philippines as Tausi. Alright, and we have here garlic, green onions, and of course my favorite Oriental seasonings, starting from oyster sauce, sesame oil, tamari soy sauce, and Chinese rice cooking wine. Now let's go and witness this another simple and easy recipe, my favorite. Alright my dear friends, the first step here is that we're gonna boil our spare ribs, and we're gonna put some seasoning while boiling. We're gonna put some rainbow peppercorns. There you go. This is very good my friends, so if you could find this in the supermarket, please do. This is much better than a regular peppercorn. And of course we're gonna also season it with salt. Alright, just boil it my dear friends for 30 minutes, and let's go to the next step. Let's cover it. Alright my dear friends, we're gonna pull out now our spare ribs. Okay, I'm not even checking the tenderness of the spare ribs yet, because we're gonna cook this again. This is just an initial part. Alright, and you see this broth over here? We're gonna save this and we're gonna use this later. Alright, there you go. Alright my dear friends, let's start sauteing some of our ingredients. I'm putting vegetable oil in there, and then we're gonna put in our garlic. There you go. Let's just brown it a little bit. And next to that is our fermented black beans. Now, this is the secret. Most of the cook just pour in those fermented black beans, but to make this recipe really taste good, you have to press these black beans and try to break it. That's the secret. So you can extract all the flavors of this, because black beans, actually fermented black beans, are very aromatic in flavor. I can even smell it now, I'm telling you. Okay, so you have to press it and break it. There you go. Now we can put the white portion of our green spring onion. Smells so good my dear friends, smells so good. Okay, let's put now to our soy sauce. This is a 2 tablespoons, and then our oyster sauce, another 2 tablespoons. this cooking wine, some brown sugar, about a teaspoon. There you go. I can smell it good. And it's time to put back our pork broth. I already strained this so you won't see those peppercorns anymore. I just get the flavor of that peppercorn, so they're all in here now. I'm putting like 1.5 cup of pork broth. Let's just simmer it for a while, and then we can put back our spare ribs. Now we can put back our spare ribs. There you go. So let's boil this for another 20 minutes, and it will automatically get thick too once the water gets low. Alright, so let's cover it, and I see you in 20 minutes, my dear friends. Let's check, my dear friends, for the final time. Look at this. Nice golden brown, my dear friends. And it smells so good, I'm telling you. Alright, no need to put cornstarch here. Look at the sauce that we have in here. It's thick enough. Alright, no need for cornstarch. Alright, now let's sprinkle it with green onion, and of course my favorite, sesame oil. There you go. Alright, let's go and serve it immediately. Let's serve it, my dear friends. Wow, look at them. Nice, nice golden brown. There. OMG again. Nice dinner for me. Another exciting dinner for me, my dear friends. There you go. Let's put more of the sauce in there. There you go. Look at those fermented black beans. Alright. I hope you enjoyed this presentation once again, my dear friends, and hope to see you next time. God bless you all.